Hey everybody, welcome back to Ski Play Live. I am so glad that you are here, and I have kind of been a little lazy in posting videos, but I wanted to tell you why I have canceled my Sunset subscription box. I'm kind of a sucker for them. If you look through, peruse the content in my channel, you'll see that I have some unboxing where I've tried different things like FabFitFun and Ipsy, and Sunset was really interesting to me because I've been getting into gardening and growing plants, and that's kind of their focus. Annual subscription, which is 4 boxes every 3 months, the seasonal boxes. And I started last August, and everything was kind of fun, unique items that I had no idea what they were about. And the value seemed to be there. But this last box, the March box, I gotta show you what I got. These boxes are supposed to be worth at least $60. In my latest March box, I got loose leaf tea, a very, very rough tea towel, probably meant for someone that's living in Joshua Tree. It's got like cactuses on it, and the fabric is super rough. I wouldn't want to use it on my hands, and I would think it would scratch things that needed to be dried off gently. A puzzle, they always include kind of a nostalgic type vintage puzzle for people to do. A very cheap pair of pruning shears. I mean, I pulled this out. I don't think you can get cheaper than this. And I looked up on Amazon. I can find a better quality pair of shears for about $5. The last thing, I'm telling you, this was all I got. The last thing is a scoop for soil that was done on a 3D printer. I use the dog food measuring cup to scoop soil. It's like just about the same as this. Anyway, all of that is supposed to be worth $60. Talk about a waste of money. So I sent the customer service people an email saying that I was very disappointed in this month's box, and I am requesting a refund or something to make up for this. Now, in other experiences that I've had, let's say it was a makeup box and some of the makeup was unusable because I'm allergic to things that have fragrance in it, they would send me a replacement. When I sent the email about this stuff, they responded with, "We will be sending you a return label. You can send everything back and we're canceling your subscription." Obviously, they don't care about customer feedback. They did say that we'll take that into account when we plan our next boxes, but they don't care about me. I'm done. And you know what? That's just fine, because that's an extra $60 I get to keep. So anyway, if you're considering a Sunset box, think about what's in it. Think about where you see the value. For me, it wasn't worth it.